Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all the music lovers out there. Are you passionate about music and would like to get paid for your listening habits? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we will be exploring the top 5 best websites in 2023 that allow you to earn money while enjoying your favorite tunes. Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Express channel where we talk about all things money and making more of it. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of music and money. Earnably. Earnably is our first website on the list. It's a fantastic platform that rewards you for completing various tasks, including listening to music. Here's how you can get started and earn money on Earnably. Tip 1. Getting started with Earnably. To get started with Earnably, simply sign up on their website. Once you're registered, you'll gain access to a wide range of tasks, including listening to music. It's a great way to monetize your passion and earn some extra cash while enjoying your favorite songs. Tip 2. Maximizing earnings on Earnably. If you want to maximize your earnings on Earnably, be sure to explore all the available music options. The more songs you listen to, the more you can earn. Additionally, providing feedback on the music you listen to can help improve the selection for others, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts. Tip 3. Referral program on Earnably. Earnably also has a referral program that allows you to earn even more. By referring your friends to join Earnably, you can earn additional rewards when they complete tasks, including listening to music. It's a great way to boost your earnings and share the benefits of this platform with others. In the next segment, we'll be discussing another exciting website that offers similar opportunities. So, stay tuned. Playlist Push. If you have a keen ear for discovering new music and love curating playlists, Playlist Push is the perfect platform for you. Let's take a closer look. Tip 1. How Playlist Push works. Playlist Push connects independent musicians with influential playlist curators. As a playlist curator, you have the opportunity to listen to new tracks and curate playlists based on your preferences. Musicians submit their songs to Playlist Push, and if they fit your playlist style, you can include them in your curated playlists. Tip 2. Curating effective playlists. When curating playlists on Playlist Push, it's important to keep a few things in mind. Firstly, focus on creating a cohesive theme or mood for your playlist. This will help attract listeners who resonate with that particular style. Additionally, regularly update your playlist with fresh tracks to keep your audience engaged. Tip 3. Growing your influence. Building a strong influence as a playlist curator can open doors to exciting opportunities. To grow your influence, actively promote your playlists on social media platforms, collaborate with other curators, and engage with your audience. The more followers and engagement you have, the more chances you'll have to earn from Playlist Push. Stay tuned as we explore more exciting websites in our next segment. Musicxray. Musicxray offers a unique opportunity for music enthusiasts to discover new talent and earn money by providing feedback on songs. Let's explore how you can get involved. Tip 1. Discovering new music. On Musicxray, you'll have the chance to discover emerging artists and their latest tracks. The platform connects musicians with potential listeners like you. As a user, you can listen to songs and provide feedback, which helps artists refine their craft and gain exposure. Tip 2. Providing quality feedback. When providing feedback on Musicxray, it's important to be honest and constructive. Artists appreciate insightful comments that can help them improve their music. Your feedback can have a significant impact on shaping the direction of a musician's career. Tip 3. Earning opportunities. Musicxray offers various earning opportunities for users. In addition to providing feedback, you can also participate in paid opportunities like song licensing and other music-related projects. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to earn additional income while supporting talented artists. Stay tuned as we continue our journey through the top websites that pay you to listen to music. Slicethepie. Slicethepie provides an exciting opportunity for music enthusiasts to listen to new tracks and earn money by providing detailed reviews. Let's explore how you can get involved and start earning on Slicethepie. Tip 1. Reviewing songs on Slicethepie. Slicethepie allows you to review songs from emerging artists across various genres. As a reviewer, you'll have the chance to listen to tracks and provide detailed feedback on various aspects such as vocals, lyrics, and production quality. Your insights and opinions play a crucial role in helping artists refine their craft. Tip 2. Writing high-quality reviews. When writing reviews on Slicethepie, it's important to provide thoughtful and constructive feedback. Be specific in your observations, highlighting both the strengths and areas for improvement. Your detailed reviews can greatly impact artists' careers and help them grow. Tip 3. Increasing your earnings. Your earnings on Slicethepie are determined by the quality and quantity of your reviews. To increase your earnings, aim for consistency and accuracy in your evaluations. Additionally, take the time to review a wide variety of songs to maximize your earning potential. Stay tuned as we explore our final website in this list of top platforms that pay you to listen to music. RadioEarn. RadioEarn provides an excellent opportunity for music enthusiasts to earn money by simply listening to online radio stations. Let's dive into how you can get involved and start earning on RadioEarn. Tip 1. How RadioEarn works. RadioEarn operates on a unique concept. By signing up on their platform, you'll have access to a variety of online radio stations. Your task is to listen to these stations, and in return, you'll earn money. It's a simple and enjoyable way to monetize your love for music. Tip 2. Maximizing your earnings. To maximize your earnings on RadioEarn, make sure to listen to the radio stations regularly. The more you listen, the more money you can earn. Additionally, RadioEarn may offer bonus opportunities or promotions from time to time, so keep an eye out for those to boost your earnings further. Tip 3. Exploring different stations. RadioEarn provides a diverse selection of online radio stations for you to choose from. Take the opportunity to explore different genres, styles, and even stations from different parts of the world. It's a great way to broaden your musical horizons while earning money. And that brings us to the end of our video. We've explored the top 5 best websites in 2023 that allow you to earn money while listening to music. From Earnably to Playlist Push, Musicxray to Slicethepie, and RadioEarn, each platform offers a unique opportunity for music enthusiasts to turn their passion into profit. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these websites and get paid for doing what you love. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Let us know in the comment section below about your thoughts about this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.